Hey guys, it's Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this rainbow eyeliner look and this red lip. It's super fun, super bright and colorful. And if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. So for my foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 130. I'm just going to be applying that with my damp beauty blender. That is not really damp yet. So I'll be right back. Back. I'll take the pleasure, take you with the pain. Okay guys, now that I have my foundation on, next I am going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. And I really can't see without my glasses. I should get contacts, but like my prescription is so strong, my vision is so bad. So I prefer glasses just because contacts do bother my eyes. But I've only honestly tried them once, so I really do want to try them again. But yeah, so if you see me keep taking my glasses off, that's why. I'm meant to try again. Strawberry. Oh. Okay guys, now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour stick, and I usually only use the contour side, but I'm going to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my nose a little bit. So for my eyes today, I'm going to be focusing on this palette right here. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Oh my god. Lashes on and my eyes are done, I'm just going to swipe off all this remaining powder. A little more. I'm going to take the same white highlighter right there and I'm going to use my finger and just apply. I know that looks like a lot. And I'm going to layer another highlight right on top of that highlight, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color, in the shade Precious Petals. And I'm just gonna it's so pigmented. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you want to see any other looks like this, or if you want any kind of video or you want to see any kind of makeup look, makeup techniques, anything along those lines, just let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys.